Good day, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Natalia here with you as always every single day. It will be a quick video today, unboxing. I have two diamond paintings in here from ArtBusy. It looks like you like the store. Many of you purchased some designs. It is good quality designs, nice velvet canvases, and you can choose up there what kind of diamonds you want and size whatever you want. So it's pretty good store. And I do have for you under the video in the description box will be up there discount code and also links to this design if they are still available in the store. So let's get started. One by one I'm going to open designs. Let's see, they should be nice and pretty. This design that I'm going to show you inspired by one of the cross stitch that I have, and that's kind of make me think about it. Remember the Asian lady or princess in a garden, and this one it's feel like it's continuous. She's walking through the garden, but look at that, how pretty. Look her dress, she's so amazing. Beautiful umbrella, her kimono, how do you call that dress? Kimono? Sorry, I love the part of kind of like a garden or woods up there far away. There's some staircase. Kind of hard to see the actual design in a picture when it's pixelated with the pixels of the symbol, but when you go look on or maybe in here picture a little bit better. As always, the store have same toolkit. We have in here one placer, three placer, wax, tweezers, and medium size of the tray. Okay, now I would love to see what kind of diamonds we have in here. Do we have any specialty? And I want to see. Okay, so on this tiny picture, I wish they would print it bigger, but yeah. So look at this, how pretty. Her dress is so amazing. And when you click on a link and go into the store to see actually like a big picture on a website, it looks so pretty and colorful, those vibrant colors. I think the colors that will got me interested in it. And lately I'm really attractive in like Asian culture and their lifestyle. It's interesting. So this design have 45 colors, and we have lots of fairy dust in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors of the fairy dust. Oh, that's lovely. Look at the bright. Oh, those colors. They are so bright. Yeah, this one is around, is a square. Oh, it's a square. Square diamonds. So we have, I think this one, no. What's the start? From 40. Okay, so I have to find it. Sometimes it's hard. Oh, kind of sad to tear this apart, but look at that. Look at the beautiful colors in here. And of course, because I pulled them up upside down, now I'm not gonna find those fairy dust diamonds. Oh no, it is right in here. I think they are all together right in here. I found them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they're all in here. Look at that. Lucky me. Didn't take a long to find. So we have in round, in blue. Oh, my apologies. Fairy dust in blue. Beautiful lime. Juicy pink, and kind of grayish, greenish, bluish. I don't even know what color I should call this. And that's nice. All this canvas is going to be so pretty, like it's so vibrant, those colors, so pretty. Look at that, like the shades, and here some unique. What is this? 601 DMC on this pink one. Look at those two beautiful shades. Yeah, very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, so this was one, and let me just put diamonds kind of a little bit on the side, or maybe just to put them temporarily, just like that, because I want to see the symbol wise on the canvas. We're going to check the glue, which I almost forgot to do it. Hold on. Let me see, like a darker spot. No, it's very easy to read. Very easy to read. Oh, the glue always is very nice glue. It's a beautiful layer of glue in here, actually. Look at that. Look how shiny. And then of course glittery canvas. Oh, you can see those sparkles. I think, yes, you can see sparkles, depends on the light. And symbol clarity is really nice, nicely printed. Looks good. For example, in here on a darker, let's look close to the darker spot. Sorry if you hear some noises in the background. My puppy decided they all have to sleep by the door. There's not enough room up there, but they're trying to fit in, so they're making the noises by laying down on top of the shoes. Okay, so let's see one more. I have one more. I forgot what I have in here. But something colorful. So we have the same toolkit. Nothing different, same thing. And oh, okay, so this is just a bouquet of flowers. What's the call? Oh my goodness. I know you're already screaming at me. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a bird supposed to be here. Yes, it is. A hummingbird. She is right here. This design is super pretty. If you look on the actual picture on the website, so colorful. Look at that. Oh, this design would be even pretty if they would add like crystal, some sparkle, more sparkle diamonds. That would be so nice. But you know what? It's a 45 colors in here. Do you remember how many times we opened diamond paintings for the review like years ago, and I would have like a 18 colors? Oh my goodness, we grow since then so much, right? Now it's like 45. Companies start to compare with each other, and some making like 100 colors and more, and that's amazing. That's amazing that this craft is progressing, bringing to us more new diamonds, and it's amazing. So this hibiscus is so pretty picture on a website. You just have to see it. Look at that, the bird up there coming over the flowers. Look at the sky. I know reflection, but look at the beautiful sunset. And even on a website, this looks like a glowing. I believe I remember how this design looked like on a website. It looks like it's glowing, like it's supposed to be sparkling already. And yes, the picture in here gonna show you a little bit better. Before we open diamonds, let's see the print of this design. Looking really good. Just look up there where the camera creates shadow, because otherwise chandelier, making a lots of light for us. I think you can see that it's really nice. And of course all canvases are velvet fabric, scallop cut, so it doesn't fray all the way around. And the quality of the glue in here, it's a very sticky, very sticky. Now I have my fingerprint up there. There. So what kind of diamonds we have with this design? Look at this one picture here. Yeah, you can see a little bit better in here. Isn't that gorgeous? The bird is so pretty. I know so many people love this kind of bird to stage or diamond paint, and hibiscus is always, I love. Ooh, look at what I see in here. Look at what I see in here. We do have some sparkles, so I was right that this design needs some sparkles. It's not crystal, but AB sparkles, very beautiful as well. And we have, we have even more in here. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. So we have a 3. No way. Okay, it's kind of like a. They're not all in order, so it's like AB diamonds with the fairy dust diamonds. So I have to kind of like scatter them around here. So with fairy dust diamonds, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors fairy dust, and AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 plus 6 plus the original diamonds. So we have 3 kind of diamonds in here. And here is our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is our AB diamonds. Oh, I missed one. Okay, let me just show you, like maybe by 2. The darker diamond, the better AB visible. It's pretty. Or like this pink and red. Gorgeous. And 2 shades of blue. Oh, look at the shine. Diamond looked very good. And then there is in here fairy dust. This one? What is it, 34? Hold on, let me see. Yes, it is. Wow. You know what? That's very generous, because this diamond's still more expensive. And look at this big bag. That's a 310. Yes, 310 in fairy dust. That is very generous. See, they look kind of like a grayish with the glitter on the top. And then we have in here, they also all together in here, another 5 colors. This red, is it too red? Okay, this one is really similar. They could pick some different color for AB, but still, I'm happy to have any specialty extras. Yeah, is this one going to be very similar to the color? Here's blue and purple. And my favorite. Oh, I love this color. I love this color. And then all these bright, juicy colors. Look how pretty. It's going to be vibrant, very vibrant. These two, how pretty. This is regular diamonds. Not sure if this is resin or not, kind of hard to tell with the back till you kind of work with them. This one, so juicy like a corn. Okay, but yeah, no, this is really a surprise to me that they give it such a big bag. It's like inside bag and other bag, I don't know, but yeah, they are shiny, they are very shiny, beautiful. Wow, okay, so this was very beautiful unboxing, I have to say. What do you think? Which one design was your favorite? If you like any of this, I went for very bright colors this time. I hope you like it and decided maybe you want to try something. And this time we have both of them in a small kind of size. By the way, I did forget to tell you the size, right? So the Asian lady is 50 by 50 centimeters canvas, and this one is 45 by 60. I really love this bird in here. The whole flowers, I don't know, the everything. So now it's going to be even more interesting because we have an AB, so it's going to be very sparkle on those flowers in the midsummer. Maybe bird will have some sparkle, so it is beautiful. All right, my friends, tomorrow you're probably going to see another diamond painting unboxing. I have to put these videos into the air to showcase product because I have them already for a few days in my house, and finally I have a time to record. So thank you for watching today, and stop by tomorrow. If I do have some more time to create for you extra video, maybe something about cross stitch or anything else, I will do. But for now, this week is really busy, super busy this week actually. So next week should be more time, and I will have some finally video created. I'm actually waiting to create. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow with another unboxing video, and thank you for stopping by today. Check out the product link under my video in the description box. Discount code up there. I think you can save 10%, I believe. And happy shopping, my friends. Thank you.